Alright, so what's up guys? This is your poor boy FPV coming at you with a video here. This is going to be another future build that I'll be doing. This is a drone that my brother's had kicking around for a little while. A few little spare parts. This is the Loki X5. What we got here, I done kind of started this and I need to finish it. I started it before I started my channel, and I wanted to get my recording gear together, so this should be a little better video footage here. But what I've had to do so far is extend these motor wires. They come a little too short. These are the Emax race spec 2205s, 2300 kV. See if I can get that zoom in there. And he's running a Raceflight Bolt ESC. Hadn't really messed with these 4-in-1 Bolt ESCs, so this is going to be a new little adventure for me. Looks like a lot of soldering, a lot of wiring, but I got to extend these motor wires and attach these to finish getting the motor wires attached to it. He's also going to be running the Revolt. Raceflight Revolt version 2. As of a month ago, I updated the firmware on it, which is probably out of date by now. It's probably something newer out there. I do know that they already have the Revolt V3 out. But I'll also be putting on this thing just a plain Jane Foxeer HS1177. He wanted to go with the OSD, so we put him a little piggy OSD on the back. Got to get all this soldered up and get it talking to the flight controller back and forth, and I'll be showing all that in this little build tutorial that'll be coming up. Looks like he went with a pretty big wide angle camera lens here for it. I believe that'll make for a really nice video. And he's going to be just running your basic, I think this is a FX799T video transmitter. Got a little pigtail right here. You got your 5 volts going out for your camera and whatnot. But I'll be showing you how to put all this together here in a future build. But I just wanted to share this with you guys and test out my new camera gear and see how well it's gonna work. I believe this will be a sweet little good flying drone here. He wanted me to try to set up the F port on the Raceflight with this FR Sky Free Sky RX SR receiver. I'm not sure if Raceflight supports that yet, but I'll be looking into it before I start putting it all together. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you would, leave a like and a subscribe. This is your poor boy FPV. Peace out.